Welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping inside one of the most exciting and practical homes on wheels, the Volkswagen Motorhome. This isn't just a van or a camper, it's a fully designed living space that combines Volkswagen's trusted engineering with the comfort of a modern house. From the outside, the motorhome looks both bold and elegant. Its sleek body lines and aerodynamic shape make it stand out while ensuring a smooth drive. At the front, you get Volkswagen's recognizable grille paired with sharp LED headlights that give it a futuristic presence on the road. The large panoramic side windows are not just for looks. They flood the inside with natural light while giving you a wide view of the outdoors. The motorhome also comes with plenty of exterior storage compartments, ideal for packing camping equipment or travel gear. Some models include a retractable awning, giving you instant shade and an outdoor lounge space wherever you park. Step inside and the real magic begins. The cabin feels modern and spacious, with a dashboard that is both functional and stylish. The driver's seat is all about comfort on long journeys, with ergonomic cushioning, armrests, and swivel features so it can turn to face the lounge area once you're parked. The digital instrument cluster is clear and easy to read, and the central touchscreen gives you full access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle functions. The living area is cozy yet practical. There's a dining table with comfortable seating around it, which can double as a workspace or a place to relax in the evenings. Volkswagen has done a great job at maximizing storage without making the space feel crowded. Overhead cabinets, hidden compartments, and smart layouts mean you always have a place for your essentials. Ambient lighting and wide windows create an inviting atmosphere, day or night. The kitchen is surprisingly complete for its size. You'll find a smooth countertop, a stainless steel sink, with running water, and a stove that's either gas or induction depending on the model. A compact refrigerator is built in to keep your food fresh, and some layouts even include a microwave or a small oven. With plenty of cabinets and drawers, you can store pots, pans, and utensils easily, making it a fully functional cooking space on the road. The bedroom area is designed to give you real comfort, not just a temporary resting place. Depending on the layout, you might get a fixed double bed at the back or a fold-out bed that's cleverly integrated above the lounge area. The mattresses are comfortable, and the details really make the space feel like home. Reading lights, USB ports for charging devices, soft fabrics, and privacy curtains. The bathroom is compact but very well equipped. It includes a toilet, a sink, and a shower with hot water. The fittings are high quality, and the waterproof materials keep everything durable and easy to clean. Even though the space is small, Volkswagen has managed to make it practical enough for daily use, so you don't need to rely on external facilities while traveling. Every detail of the motorhome is built around convenience and freedom. Climate control systems keep you comfortable in all seasons, while hidden storage solutions make the most of every inch of space. Many versions come with solar panels and powerful batteries for off-grid adventures, along with safety features like airbags, ABS, and adaptive cruise control, so the journey is as enjoyable as the destination. The Volkswagen Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a lifestyle choice for people who love travel, adventure, and freedom, without giving up the comforts of home. From its stylish exterior to the cozy interior, the modern dashboard, the functional kitchen, the restful bedroom, and the practical bathroom, it offers everything you need to live on the road. So that's a full tour of the Volkswagen Motorhome, your home away from home, designed for exploring.